Hi, this is Billy with Levin, Rinke Realty, and we're going to look at February 2026 Perdido Key market report. Last month we had 12 units sold with an average sales price of $910,000. The total inventory currently is 123 units for sale, and our days on the market is 107. That compared to February 2025, we had the same amount of units sold, 12 units, significantly lower sale price at $534,000, and our total inventory last year at this time was 139 units. The days on market, or the average time it took to sell, was 75 days. So taking a look, we look a little flat starting off. We've got the same amount of units sold for 2025 to 2026. There is a large price difference between those sales, with that being 910 versus 535. That just tells me there's probably a little more high value units sold in the 12 units that sold in the same time last year. But something to watch. I would put that as a one off. But at the same time, looking forward, I know that we have 20 units pending sale in 2026 right now. That compared to February 2025 when we had 29 units pending sale. So that tells me we're starting out at the gates a little bit slower in Perdido Key versus 2026, relatively flat. Once again, it's Billy with Levin Rinke Realty. Please feel free to reach out if there's anything I can do.